Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video from KSTV. And friends, today we have got a very interesting news for all of you. Yes, the price specification of the Redmi Note 5 is being leaked, and today in this video we are going to talk about all the price leak specification about the Redmi Note 5. Is it going to cost you 7,000 rupees? Having been said that, let's get straight into it. So friends, many news centers are coming out about the Redmi Note 5, and today we are going to talk about the price range which is leaked about the Redmi Note 5. The Redmi Note 5 is said to be 699 yuans, that is will be roughly around 6,999 rupees, which will be nearly around 7,000 rupees. And when we talk about the specification that we have got to know from the Chinese website, they are saying that the Redmi Note 5 is going to come with 5.9-inch full HD display, and this time it will be of 18:9 aspect ratio. So this will be a very good upgrade in the screen. When we talk about the display clarity, it will be a good experience altogether. Now we move on to the power segment. Here the Redmi Note 5 will be powered by Snapdragon 632 processor, and when we talk about the variants, it will be probably with three variants: 3GB RAM, 32GB internal memory, 3GB RAM, 64GB internal memory, and 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. So this will be similar like we have with the Redmi Note 4 and Redmi 4. Now talking about the one of the main aspect with the Redmi Note series, the camera. Many of the people have been saying from so many days, many reviewers, everybody is suggesting Redmi to come up with a good camera in their Note series so that their phone can look very perfect in this budget segment. So this time the Redmi is thinking about bringing the dual camera setup with the Redmi Note 5, which would be very impressive and significant upgrade over the cameras in the Redmi Note 4. So these were the some of the specification and price range leak about the Redmi Note 5. This could be launched very soon in China and then in India. As you all know, Redmi Note 4 is the most selling phone in India. So let us see how can Redmi Note 5 impress all of us. So that's about it. If you like this video, please go and hit the thumbs up button. So let me know what you are thinking. Is Redmi Note 5 going to come with dual camera? Mention it in the comment section below, and you can subscribe to our channel KSTV by clicking on the icon and hit the bell icon. So as soon as the news is out, mobile is launched, you can see our video. And until then, keep watching KSTV.